Welcome to Tech Talk, where we explore the dynamic world of design through technology, innovations, and insights. Today, we are having a pleasure to converse with architect Amitabh Sarma ji. Join us as we delve into his journey, insights, and transformative power of architecture in shaping our environment. Your design philosophy, Dada, has emphasized simplicity and environmental integration. How do you balance these principles while incorporating technological advancements into your projects?
See, we have to embrace technology first of all, because we have to live with the times, number one. Number two, we have to be very sensitive to our environment at the same time. It is only when you can balance these two aspects, then you can come up with something so judicious and so meaningful to live. Your space is enlivened when you can get the judicious blend of both these aspects. So I would say that whenever we get into the designing table, that should be the first priority for us to think sustainably. By sustainable, I would say what is locally available to us, number one, because sourcing it from a very long distance again involves so much of cost and overheads and other things, number one. Number two, by sustainability, I would also encourage the upliftment of the local artisans, the craftsmen, the masons, the carpenters, all the people who are associated with the execution process of a building or a project.
The entire ecosystem.
Yes. When you come now to technology is now available at the drop of a hat now.
Correct.
Right? It is all at your fingertips. So you don't really have to run after technology. It has come to you already.
Correct.
It is only a judicious selection of the sort of technology that suits best for your project which is required.
Correct.
So once you have a blend of all these factors, then I think it's all a win-win situation for everybody.
As a General Secretary of the Association of Architects, Assam, you have been actively involved in advocating for the profession and influencing urban development policies. Can you discuss some of these key initiatives or challenges you have encountered in this role of yours?
Yes, I would very proudly say that we have an association called the Association of Architects Assam here, which was established way back in the year 1985. Our seniors have done wonders in uplifting the standards of architectural practice here since those days. And we, as the second generation of architects here, we are trying our best to live up to that expectation. And in the process, we have actually collaborated with the government in formulating policies when and wherever we were called for to associate with them, to help them, to guide them in creating the master plan of the city, in revising the master plan of the city. Very recently also there was an exercise where few of our members, few of our colleagues, we were there as a panel, and we gave our valuable inputs. Collectively, the association prepared a draft proposal pointing out the deficiencies and kind of initiatives that the government should take to maintain for sustainability of the city, to maintain the environment of the city, and to have a very equitable kind of situation here in the place. So we have been tied up with this government for a long time. Whenever there is a requirement for any urban initiative, any important urban initiative that would influence the living standards of this place, they are always there to ask us for our guidance and our opinions. So that way I think we have been successful to a certain extent.
And lastly, how was your experience working with dormakaba, and how has this collaboration with dormakaba helped you in realizing your architectural?
My association with dormakaba dates back to almost 10-15 years. I had asked them to come over for some of the hardware solution for one of my resort projects here. There we required a lot of innovative solutions for hardware, especially in terms of collapsible partitions. We had large banquet halls where we required their technology to help us in creating collapsible spaces. So There they helped us a lot, and it was very critical. The entire execution job was very critical because it requires precision engineering. I was very pleased to see the way they have worked through to see the execution of that project.
Thank you so much, Amitabh ji. This was a heart-to-heart conversation, and he was very candid in answering. Uh, Watch out for this space and click for more such interactions and insights. Thank you once again.